Hi everyone, welcome back to another Trading 212 portfolio update, where I'll be giving my usual weekly updates of how the stocks in my Trading 212 portfolio have been performing. But before we get into it, guys, if you could please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also fancy commenting as well, as all these things do help boost the algorithm and help get my videos out to more people. I haven't been posting as consistently as I'd like to, but I'll be trying to get back to the one video a week and also hoping to get to more as well. So now let's take a look at the portfolio. So in the last week, we're probably up around just under 2%. We have seen a bit more of a green week this week. Not doing anything too tragic, but we were slightly up on what was on last week. And on the day so far, we're down to about 0.37%. So nothing too major so far. This is being filmed live while the stock market is open as well, so we could see some fluctuations while this video was going ahead. As we all know, stocks have been obviously slightly suffering recently with the inflation and people taking money out of stocks and putting it more into cryptocurrency. But we do slightly seem to be on a little recovery, but we'll just have to wait and see. So now we'll get into the individual stocks and just take a look at them. So the first stock on the list is Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. And in the last week, they're down slightly, just 0.86%. And today, they're down 0.81%. Nothing too major with Apple. FX fee is killing me with Apple and the gains more than the actual investment itself. So I have just over 10 shares of Apple with my average cost at $128 or £93 if you're in the UK. And my loss overall is £38 or 4.1%. So Apple, again, I say this a lot, long-term hold. And you can see my average cost line there, the dotted line. I'm slightly underneath it, obviously, at the moment. But I do think we could see prices get back up to the 140 plus marks. It's been a bit up and down recently for Apple. But again, they're up 60% in the year, which is quite solid. I also, this week, received an Apple dividend, which was for £1.33 for the 10 shares that I own. And the withholding tax obviously takes off 15%. And that dividend got reinvested straight back into the company. Not a massive dividend, but as we know, Apple are more of a growth play. So that's the first stock on the list is Apple, and the next one on the list is Bionano Genomics, ticker symbol BNGO. So in the last week, they're up just over 3%. A nice little bit of growth, really, in the last week, as they have been. They were struggling before that. In the month, they're down 5.61%. You can see my average cost line there. So with Bionano Genomics, I have 132.5 shares roughly, and I'm down 18% with this stock. FX fee again having an impact, but for this one, it's more a case of the actual stock itself doing bad rather than the FX fee. So my average cost is $6.06 or £4.80 if you're in the UK again. With this stock, I took advantage of the price dipping in the low $5 range, but I really wish I could have got in here. I didn't have any capital to put into this stock at this point, which is unfortunate. Got down to almost $4, which is an absolute steal for this stock. I think I bought most of my shares the other week around this price here, which is still good, but not quite at the bottom as it was here. I do believe we will see this stock get back up to this range as we saw in February. I actually did own it at this point. I think I first bought it around here, early January time, when it was around $7 at the time, $8. And I've just added more shares as it's gone on. It's one that I do want to get to £1,000 invested in. Obviously, again, if we do get up to plus 18% in the green, it'll be up to $600 there. So up in the week, but in the day, we're slightly down. It's still early days today. This is being filmed on Friday the 21st of May, obviously 4 o'clock UK time. So we'll see how it pans out at the end of the day. So that's the second stock, which is Bionano Genomics, ticker symbol BNGO. Next we have is ChargePoint Holdings, ticker symbol CHPT. Finally, a stock in the green. I know, it's really good. As the last portfolio update, we had all red. It was just a sea of red. I'm glad ChargePoint, we're in the green with these, the EV charging company. Had some solid growth in this last week. Best one, I think, out of my whole stocks. We're up just under 10% in the week, and in the day they're actually down today, just over 1%. Sorry. Again, the FX fee affecting this one as well. This is to do with currency rises and falls. Don't really get that side of it, but anyway. So we are down What are we down? Oh, so we're up 3.66% or £6.11. My average cost is $22.57 or £16.40 again if you're in the UK. I do like my EV plays. Again, this is one that I think is quite undervalued. We know price predictions for this stock are more to the $39, $40 range, and we did see it get up to $45, $46 back in December. I had a few ups and downs, followed by a great big down from all of February, pretty much, and it's just continued to go down. But hopefully we could be seeing a rise back up. Just have to wait and see. Up 71% in the last year still, even with these dips. But again, 5 to 10 year play along when the EV companies become even bigger than they are now, and the world becomes more reliant on electric cars. So that's ChargePoint, ticker symbol CHPT. And the final stock in my Trading 212 ISA account is Tesla, TSLA stock. In the week, nothing too much major with Tesla, just down, not even 1%, 0.53 or 54, whichever way you look at it now. And on the day, down just 0.04% as well. So nothing too major going on with Tesla, but I'm down 22% with Tesla or £238. This is another one where the actual investment is tanking for me right now. So I'm down almost £200 and the FX fee is just £38. Like I said with ChargePoint, this one is a long term, and I do feel like this could eventually get back up to the $1,000 range. So it's a sleeping giant at the moment. Even if they got back up to the £800, I'd still be happy, as my average cost is on this line here, as we can see. So it's still quite a way off that yet, but again, this is a long-term play, so I'm not worried what it does in the short term. So that's Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. That's all the stocks in my Trading 212 ISA account now, so we'll just take a look at the couple of stocks I have in my invest. So we'll head on over there and have a look. So this account is worth currently £493. So on the week, we're not really much movement this week, to be honest. Probably 0.23% up. And in the week, we are actually down. So we started, down around 4% in the week with this portfolio to work out then. Sorry about that. But so we have HCMC, who are down 16% in the week, and today down not very much, just 0.06. This is one, it's obviously a very, very speculative play, penny stock, which they're relying on a lot of things going for them. They do have the right to acquire shares offering, which is, I think it's happened now, but I've not had a notification on Trading 212 where you can buy, I think your stocks get transferred into, one stock gets transferred into 5 or something like that. I still don't really have a clue what's going on with that. But anyway, so I'm down £165 or 40% nearly with this stock. I own 239,000 shares and my average cost is 0.002420 in dollars or 0.001745 in pounds. The next we have is NEO, ticker symbol NEO. Yep. So in the week we are up 2.5% with NEO, and on the day so far down not too much. So we currently have just under 10 shares in NEO, and I am down 10% with my average cost currently at $37.04 or £27 again in the UK. Another EV play who I'm holding for the long term. Not really bothered what they do in the short term, but still in the last year, even with this dip from the $62 mark, which I do believe it will reach and surpass in the coming years, we're still almost 1,000%. So I'm going to take my time with this one and try and have more shares at this price, because I can guarantee in a year's time it won't be anywhere near this. So that is pretty much it for my portfolio update today, guys. I've done both my accounts, and I'll be hopefully bringing one to you next week with all my stocks in green. But also, don't forget to subscribe and like the video as well. It really does help the channel. Get in the comments and let me know what you think of the stocks that I own. So on that note, I'm going to leave you to it today, guys. Take care. Bye.